Rugs, the unsung heroes of interior design. Often overlooked, these pieces of fabric can be the secret weapon in your interior design arsenal. Okay people, let's talk rugs. These aren't just floor coverings, they're the unsung heroes that can elevate your space from ordinary to extraordinary. They're like the magic carpet of interior design. Imagine a room without a rug. It's like a cake without icing. Sure, it's still a cake, but it's missing that extra something. They can transform a room from drab to fab faster than you can say shag carpeting. No joke. A well-placed rug can change the entire vibe of a room in an instant. A well-chosen rug can add warmth, texture, and personality, even to the most basic spaces. It's like giving your room a cozy hug, making it feel more inviting and lived in. It's like adding a statement necklace to your favorite little black dress. The right rug can be a conversation starter, a piece of art that you walk on. Think of a rug as the foundation of your room's style. It anchors your furniture, defines your space, and sets the stage for everything else. It sets the tone, defines different zones, and ties all your furniture together. In an open-plan living area, a rug can create distinct spaces without the need for walls. It's the design element that can make or break your space. Choose wisely, and your room will sing. Choose poorly, and it could fall flat. So, whether you're moving into a new place or just want to give your current digs a refresh, choosing the right rug is crucial. It's the easiest way to update your decor without a complete overhaul. Trust me, I've seen it all on Queer Eye. The right rug can turn a bland room into a masterpiece, and the wrong one can make it look like a hot mess. From boring beige boxes to spaces that scream, "Look at me," the right rug can make all the difference. It's the secret sauce that brings everything together. The right rug can make all the difference. It's not just about color or pattern, it's about how it makes you feel when you walk into the room. So buckle up, design enthusiasts. We're about to embark on a journey through the wonderful world of rugs. From choosing the right size to picking the perfect pattern, we've got you covered. We're about to dive deep into the wonderful world of rugs and how to choose the perfect one for your humble abode. Stay tuned because your floors are about to get a fabulous makeover. Sizing up your space and your rug. First things first, let's talk size. You don't want a rug that's too small, looking like a postage stamp in the middle of your room. And you definitely don't want one that's too big, swallowing your furniture whole like a hungry hippo. Rugs come in a variety of sizes, from small accent rugs to massive room-sized carpets. Think about the scale of your room and the furniture you want to put on it. Here's a good rule of thumb. The front legs of your furniture should be on the rug. This creates a cohesive look and defines the seating area. For example, in your living room, all the sofas and chairs should have their front legs resting comfortably on the rug. Don't be afraid to go big. A larger rug can actually make a room feel bigger, especially in open-plan spaces. It's all about creating balance and proportion. Wool versus synthetic, the great rug debate. Now let's talk materials. When it comes to choosing the perfect rug for your home, the decision often boils down to two main contenders: wool and synthetic. Each has its own set of advantages and drawbacks, making the choice a bit of a conundrum for many homeowners. Wool rugs are like the Beyoncé of the rug world. They're classic, durable, and can take a beating. These rugs have been around for centuries and have stood the test of time, proving their worth in countless homes. The natural fibers in wool rugs make them incredibly resilient, able to withstand heavy foot traffic without showing signs of wear and tear. They're also naturally stain-resistant and feel luxuriously soft underfoot. This makes them an excellent choice for living rooms and bedrooms where comfort is key. Imagine sinking your feet into a plush wool rug after a long day. It's like a little piece of heaven right in your home. But just like Queen Bey, they can be a bit high maintenance and come with a hefty price tag. Wool rugs require regular cleaning and care to maintain their appearance and longevity. They can also be susceptible to moth damage if not properly cared for, adding another layer of responsibility for the owner. Synthetic rugs, on the other hand, are like the Dua Lipa of rugs. They're stylish, affordable, and come in a wide range of colors and patterns. These rugs are made from man-made fibers like nylon, polyester, and polypropylene, which allows for a greater variety of designs and hues to match any decor. They're also easier to clean and maintain than wool rugs. A quick vacuum or spot clean is usually all it takes to keep a synthetic rug looking fresh and new. This makes them a practical choice for busy households where time is of the essence. However, they may not be as durable or have the same luxurious feel as their wool counterparts. Over time, synthetic rugs can show signs of wear and may need to be replaced more frequently than wool rugs. They also lack the natural warmth and texture that wool provides, which can be a deciding factor for some. So, which one is right for you? The answer depends on your lifestyle, budget, and personal preferences. Are you looking for something that will stand the test of time, or do you prefer a rug that offers more flexibility in terms of design and maintenance? If you're looking for a rug that will last a lifetime and you're not afraid to splurge, wool is the way to go. Its durability and timeless appeal make it a worthwhile investment for those who value quality and longevity. But if you're on a budget or have pets and kids, a synthetic rug might be a better option. These rugs offer the perfect blend of style, affordability, and ease of maintenance, making them ideal for busy households. Ultimately, the choice is yours, and either option can add beauty and comfort to your home. Color me impressed, choosing the right hues. Color is where the real fun begins. A rug is a great way to inject some personality and style into your space. But with so many colors and shades to choose from, it can be overwhelming. Light colors like creams, beiges, and pastels can make a room feel larger and more airy. They're perfect for small spaces or rooms with limited natural light. Dark colors like navy, charcoal, and emerald green can create a cozy and intimate atmosphere. They're great for adding drama and sophistication to a space. Think about the mood you want to create in your room. Do you want it to feel bright and cheerful or warm and inviting? Consider the existing colors in your room, like your walls, furniture, and artwork. You want to choose a rug that complements your existing decor, not clashes with it. Pattern power from subtle to statement. Patterns have the unique ability to transform a space, taking it from ordinary to extraordinary with just a few thoughtful choices. Patterns are like the spice of the rug world. They can be subtle, adding just a hint of flavor, or they can be bold, making a strong statement that defines the entire room. They can add visual interest, texture, and personality to your space. Imagine a cozy living room with a textured rug that invites you to sit down and relax. But just like with spices, a little goes a long way. Too much pattern can overwhelm a space, making it feel chaotic rather than inviting. If you're new to patterns, start with something subtle, like a geometric print or a stripe. These designs are easy to incorporate and can blend seamlessly with various decor styles. These patterns can add visual interest without being too overwhelming. They provide a gentle introduction to the world of patterns, allowing you to experiment without committing to a bold look. If you're feeling bold, go for a bolder pattern, like a floral, an animal print, or an abstract design. These patterns can serve as the focal point of your room, drawing the eye and sparking conversation. These patterns can really make a statement and add a touch of whimsy to your space. They can transform a simple room into a vibrant, dynamic environment. When choosing a pattern, consider the size of your room and the style of your furniture. The right pattern can enhance the room's proportions and complement its overall aesthetic. A large, bold pattern can overwhelm a small space, while a small, subtle pattern might get lost in a large room. It's all about balance and finding the right fit for your specific space. You also want to make sure the pattern of your rug complements the style of your furniture. A harmonious blend can create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. For example, a traditional floral rug might not look right with modern furniture. Instead, opt for a pattern that echoes the lines and colors of your existing decor. Ultimately, the goal is to create a space that feels balanced and reflects your personal style. Whether you choose a subtle pattern or a bold statement piece, let your rug be a reflection of your unique taste. Pile height refers to the length of the fibers in a rug. Low pile rugs have short fibers that are tightly woven together. They're easy to clean and maintain, making them a great option for high-traffic areas like hallways and kitchens. They also tend to be more affordable than high-pile rugs. High-pile rugs, on the other hand, have longer, plusher fibers that feel luxuriously soft underfoot. They're perfect for adding warmth and comfort to bedrooms and living rooms. However, they can be more difficult to clean and may not be the best option for homes with pets or kids. When choosing pile height, consider your lifestyle and the amount of traffic the rug will receive. If you have a busy household with kids and pets, a low-pile rug is probably the way to go. But if you're looking for ultimate comfort and luxury, a high-pile rug will make you feel like you're walking on clouds. Now that you've chosen the perfect rug, you want to keep it looking its best for years to come. Regular vacuuming is key to removing dirt and debris before it becomes embedded in the fibers. Spot clean spills immediately with a clean cloth and a mild detergent. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the fibers. For deeper cleaning, it's best to have your rug professionally cleaned every 1 to 2 years. Rotate your rug every few months to ensure even wear and tear. And if you have a rug with a fringe, be sure to vacuum it gently to avoid damaging the delicate fibers. With a little TLC, your rug will continue to bring you joy for years to come. Choosing the right rug can seem like a daunting task, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. Just remember to consider the size of your room, the style of your furniture, and your personal preferences. And don't be afraid to have some fun with it. A rug is a great way to add a pop of color, a bold pattern, or a touch of personality to your space. So, go forth and conquer the world of rugs. Experiment with different colors, patterns, and textures. And most importantly, have fun with it. After all, your home should be a reflection of your unique style and personality. Now that you're a rug expert, it's time to hit the stores, or the internet, and find your perfect match. Don't be afraid to ask for help from a salesperson or interior designer. They can offer valuable advice and help you narrow down your options. And remember, there's no need to rush. Take your time, browse around, and find a rug that you absolutely love. After all, you're going to be spending a lot of time with it. Happy rug hunting.